Yeah, what up? So today we got a video from AMatterOfCrime, and the title of it is Target Manager Caught Red-Handed Stealing $10,000 from Store. Let's get into the video.
We all strive for that big promotion, a sign of trust and loyalty, a reward for hard work. But at one Target store, a newly promoted manager took a different approach to his new role. Instead of upholding the company values, he decided to help himself to the cash in multiple registers he was entrusted to manage. What led him down this path, and how did it all unfold? Here's what happened next.
You ready to hear? Or no? I haven't talked to him yet. So we can work on that. This way I don't have to do an audio recording.
It's charging. I use it too much. It's not true problems. I'm selling true leave it on the charger.
If you live far away. How you doing? Detective Rennish with Sonoma County Sheriff's Office. Target kind of briefly informed me of what was going on today. And in order for me to talk to you, I need to read you your rights, alright? Have you ever been arrested before, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alright, sir, so you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
Anything you say can be used against you in court. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to have an attorney present now or at any time during questioning. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you cannot afford an attorney,
Oh yeah, he's sick, boy. You can see his chest. His chest is like, oh yeah, he's sick, boy.
one will be appointed for you without cost. Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
If you talk to me, you have the right to stop answering questions or speak to an attorney at any time. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. With your rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me today?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So I was notified by Target that apparently over the course of your employment, there's a lot of cash registers that were turned up short, and that they have video surveillance of you folding money in your hand, and instead of putting it into money counter, you slipped it into your pocket.
Yeah.
Is that accurate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there a reason why this was happening? Are you?
It was just like financial hardships.
Okay.
And then it turned into a bad habit that should have subsided long ago, or never even started. But yeah, that's all it stemmed from.
Okay. Do you happen to have a drug problem? Because we do have like drug court. We have programs to get people help that are addicted to drugs.
Nothing addictive.
Okay.
Nothing
It's
serious
just-
like that. Just needed to get out of a hole, and then it stuck with a bad habit, really.
Okay. Do you roughly know about how much it's been going on for the past, almost a year or 6 months?
I believe it was 6 months since I
Okay.
started. That's when I bought my house. That's when I needed to finalize some things that,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Do you about how much money, roughly?
They're estimating 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think it might be a little bit more than that? Because I know it's about 10,000 only in the last 2 months.
2 months?
Yeah, the last
Wow.
30 to maybe 90, 30, I would say 30 to 60 days is about just over $9,000.
Wow. Yeah. Not that I'm aware
Yeah, if they only estimating 10, hey, it's only 10, boy. That's it.
of. Like I told them, I when I receive it, I spend it on like materials and stuff because I'm remodeling my house. So
Okay.
nothing that I'm aware of.
Okay. Understandable. You married, sir? Any kids?
Just engaged, got kids. Yeah.
Okay. How many kids do you have?
Technically 2.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Biological or?
No.
Okay. All right. Yeah. You have anything you'd like to add?
No, what I would do is the whole statement form if he wants to.
Well, they have an admission form here. Can I see that? Is this your form, sir, that you
Yes, sir. Yeah.
you signed out? Okay.
If you can read it.
Sorry.
this is just your signature here
Yes,
on the
sir.
statement?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can get a copy of that. Okay. I'm good with that one. Alright, sir. Well, today you are going to be placed under arrest.
Okay.
Okay, you'll be able to bond out of the jail, and then from there it's with your attorney, speaking with the state's attorney and Target on working out some type of agreement in order for paying back, and you can go and see what the charges are going to be.
Sure.
Okay, they could reduce the charges, they can drop the charges, as long as most likely the money is paid back to Target,
Okay.
and Target agrees to accept the money before it goes to trial.
Right.
Then they can always drop the case with the state's attorney's office.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yes,
that's
sir.
something you can definitely work out.
Mm-hmm.
All right, do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. No.
Do you have any questions for Target?
No, not that I'm aware of.
Okay, so you do understand you are fired from the store.
Yep.
Okay, did you trespass from the store?
Yes.
Okay, and you are being trespassed from the store as well.
Yeah.
Okay, that means you cannot come back to the store property unless you actually speak with somebody from the store and then they lift it. But in order for them to lift it, they have to contact us because it's going to be documented that you are trespassed. Okay, so
From
if you-
just this location or every
Yes.
location?
This
Okay.
location.
Okay, yeah. So if you'd like to come back to this Target, then you make sure you get in touch with management, and management has to call us to cancel the trespass.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
sir. That's fine.
Can you look at me real quick? I need a picture for the trespass.
All right, Mike, stand up for me.
Miles.
Well, before you, do you have anything in your pocket you'd like to take out? Do you have
I just got keys and a phone and a wallet.
key phone wall? Okay.
You can take it out.
No knives or anything?
Nothing harm.
My boy really stressed, man. He just got engaged to a single mom of 2. Got him a crib. That boy stressed, boy. He's sick.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna take off this watch, okay? So that way we have
Yeah.
some room and you're not getting cut off circulation, okay?
And it doesn't damage your watch.
Thank you.
Got 'em.
Okay.
Alright, face the back of your phone's going like that.
Check those pockets.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I wait for
Yeah.
gloves to do.
Yeah, no problem.
nothing gross in there.
No, you just listen. In this line of work, you've seen it all. I just don't put my hands in people's pockets till I got gloves on. Oh. Just walk front, and then I'll hold the door open.
Sounds good.
I'll grab this property.
Are you able to grab that backpack under the thing?
Where is it?
Under the bench right there.
Yeah, is that your backpack?
Yes, sir.
That's his backpack too, he said. Does it go? I'm gonna go off like that. This
No,
way?
it won't.
You're good, right?
Yep.
You're good now.
No, this ain't cold.
It's cold enough. Alright, we're gonna go back to that second car back there, okay?
Yes, ma'am. It's that truck right there, the big one.
Technically, you can't come back after the truck.
Yeah.
I'll have my fiance do it. Yeah, that's fine.
Right here. Space this flag right in front of that.
Sure.
Okay, let's.
I'm gonna grab some.
Yeah, I got it.
So I don't run away.
No, I'm not running away.
Or run.
No,
It is both.
I'm not worried about the running part.
I'm not worried about the running part either. That is,
Overweight.
that is part of it.
No, we do a lot of scenarios with tasers, and trust me, I'm pretty accurate. So I doubt that you would have run away from me at least. I don't know about him.
Did you guys get tased?
I'm fairly
Yeah,
fast.
shit sucks, but
I'm fairly fast though.
you know how to do it, right? When we get tased, so you know how it feels, but you don't want to tase somebody else yet. But if we got to, we got to.
Not that bad.
All right, we'll try on you later.
You guys need anything from me?
Nope, we're
Yep.
good.
I'm gonna go hop on the
Thank you. I take this opportunity to let people know that we make decisions in life that are not great. We learn from them, and that's the important thing. And I hope that regardless of what happens, that you learn from this today and what you've done and the consequences that come with doing what you did.
Yeah, this one's gonna fuck me up though, because I was going in the fire service, so I don't think that's gonna work out.
Yeah, you gotta figure it out. Maybe
Spread your feet out for me.
Yeah, maybe you can work it out with parking and just stop it or something.
I hope so, but because that's what I've been. The whole job that I've wanted to do, and then do shit like this.
Yeah, bro. But regardless, if it works out, if it doesn't work out, you'll have a story to tell. And you just gotta make better decisions than what you've already made.
What's in this pocket? Just like
Man, he's an idiot.
And probably some AirPods.
I'm trying to get mine. Keys and AirPods, you said?
Yeah. The gym membership I don't go to.
Yeah, we all have those.
They might not be.
908-302, where are you at?
Yeah, they're just not wanting to come out there either. I don't want to go drop them all over the place.
Thanks, man.
Right there.
I mean, for the most part, he's being cooperative. You know?
You're right. No pockets.
Good.
Yeah, give me just a second. Go ahead, take a seat.
Hey, Cameron, you've been so honest with us. Is there any money in your wallet that belongs to Target?
Just the big bills, I think.
Okay. 1 second. Just 1 second. 3713
It's warm in here, man.
I don't like being cold.
He took bread from Target today, too? Oh, my God. Listen, this guy, come on, bruh. Like, how long you think you gonna do it and not get caught, bro? Especially with a big store like this. It's not like it's a little mom and pop store. Target, all the registers that you running ending up short, bro. Come on. All signs lead to you. That's it.
I don't like being really hot or really cold, so I can turn. If it's too hot, just let me know. All right. If you're honest with us, and hold on. Is the backpack good to go in?
No, I haven't checked that. This is everything that doesn't need to be searched. Wallet, and that does need to get searched. You got an extra pair of gloves? I'll stand right here while you grab this stuff.
Of course, I have gloves. I need to go back to the FD and get some more.
I keep on meaning to grab the black ones, not the black ones, but
You don't like the FD ones?
no. I know you like how they go all the way up your elbow, but I like the black ones they look at.
They also don't cut blood very well.
So, I told Cameron that he's been so honest with us, right? And that I was going to search his wallet. I asked him, was there any money in here that belonged to Target? He said, just the big bills.
Okay.
So, if you want to continue with that line, I can pull out whatever.
Feel free to, 50s, 100s.
When is this from, this money?
I don't know. It's
Is this from, it's not from today, it's from previous days? Okay.
So, how much money is supposed to be in here?
I don't have my wallet.
Is it safe to say that most of this money is from Target?
Most of
Or changed from? $5 and $100 bills. Hold that for me. So 6. 7. 8. I'm just separating by. $1,000. $1,029.
I counted.
Okay. What are you thinking with this? I mean, he admitted that most of his money is either change or money from.
So, unfortunately, I have to do a currency form.
To give it back to them?
No, because if it's going to go into property at the sheriff's office, then it needs a currency form, and that has to be signed off by a sergeant.
Yeah, literal. Literal.
The suspect was charged with felony grand theft and received 5 years of probation, 100 hours of community service, and a $10,000 bill in restitution fees.
I don't know. I think they kind of tricked them at the end into saying is it safe to say most of this money or whatever? Because at first he said the big bills, the hundreds and fifties, and then they just pretty much just ransacked the whole thing and took everything. Dummy.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.